Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Vizio TV not turning on. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to check is the power indicator light. Locate the power indicator light on your TV. Check the status of the light, like on, off, or flashing. If the light is on, the TV may not be receiving power. If the light is on or flashing, the TV may have internal issues. The second solution is to verify the remote control functionality. Ensure the remote control batteries are functional. Attempt to turn on TV using the remote. Locate and press the physical power button on the TV. Check if the TV powers on without the remote. The third solution is to inspect power connection. Verify the power cord is securely connected to the TV. Ensure the connection at the both ends is snug and secure. Test the power outlet also. Plug another device into the same outlet. Confirm whether the outlet is providing power. If using a power strip, ensure it's turned on and functioning. Number 4 solution is power cycle to TV. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Press and hold the TV power button for 15 seconds. Wait an additional 30 seconds before reconnecting the power cord. Plug the TV back in and attempt to turn it on. Number 5 solution is check for external device interference. Remove all connected devices like HDMI cables, gaming consoles, streaming devices. Attempt to power on to TV without an external connection. Number 6 solution is to perform a factory reset. If the TV turns on but shows no picture, perform a factory reset using button on the TV. Press and hold both volume down and input button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. When instructed, press and hold the input button for 5 seconds to reset. Number 7 solution is to examine for hardware issues. If the TV powers on but displays picture, check for sound. Shine a flashlight at the angle on the screen in the dark room. Number 8 solution is to contact support. If none of the above solution work, you need to contact the support. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.